in this video, we're going to walk through how to participate with a shared Jamboard. So this is a unit schedule, and the teacher has provided a link to a shared Jamboard. So we're going to click on that link to open the board. Boards consist of frames, each frame kind of a different slide within the project. And in this particular one, we've been shared as editors so that we can collaborate with other students on a project. So this text box was added as kind of information about what should go here. So if you're assigned to a particular frame, kind of find the frame that you're working on, or you can keep hitting the right button and it will allow you to add additional frames. So try not to edit on a slide that you're not supposed to be editing, or add extra slides to the whole project unless you're supposed to. All right, so you can choose a background, and so there's a couple of different background options that you can choose from if you don't want plain white. And if you make a mistake, you can always clear the whole frame. It will not clear other people's frames, but just be careful of the use of this one. There's also an eraser button, so if you just want to remove a few things, or Control-Z is the undo button. We have the pen option over here on the left, and if you select the little arrow next to the pen, it lets you change the thickness and type of pen and gives you a few color options so that you can hand draw either with your mouse or touchscreen on the frame. Okay. Next one down is our erase, so we can erase part of the drawing if we need to. And we have the select option if we need to select a particular object on our screen. It does not highlight and grab a set of objects, and you can't click on a drawn line to be able to delete it. But again, you can use the eraser button, or Control-Z is the undo. You can add sticky notes. So there's a few colors here that will allow you to create a sticky note, and you can type text. So we're just going to practice, and we can add that sticky note. And then you can move the sticky note around, resize it. Notice that if you pull it off frame, it does disappear from view. You can also click on the three dots to edit the sticky note, to duplicate it, or to delete it, or change the order in which the sticky notes are stacked. Okay. You can bring in images. So you can upload them from your device or your Google Drive, or you can search through your photos. It also gives you the opportunity to copy and paste from other sites. So maybe we go to Pixabay, which allows for images that are copyright allowed. So we could download it to our Google Drive or copy the image to be able to bring it into and paste it into our project. And then once the image is in there, you can move it, resize it, rotate it. Okay, you also have the three dots to duplicate, delete, or change the order of the image. You have a shape drawer, and using the right arrow, you can change which shape you want to add. You can create those and then change the color and the color of the line from the options up here. Okay, and once it's created, you can move it, resize it, rotate it on your slide. Text boxes are great for adding information to your slide. And you have the opportunity to change the color. You can also change if it's centered or the type of text that you're using. So it gives you some options here. The laser button can be used as you're collaborating with other people. So it's just kind of a temporary, like, hey guys, look at this thing, and then it disappears. So that is the laser option within the frame. All changes are saved automatically, and everyone will be able to view the changes as they're happening. So it is really important that you stay on the frame that you've been assigned to and add the content that is appropriate for the assignment. Good luck!